ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। In Ishavasya Upanishad, Shukla Yajurvediya Upanishad, Kanva Shakha, we are seeing the Bhashya of Navama Mantra. Last line we saw was Kim Praja Karishyamo Yesham no Ayamatma Ayam Lokaha in Bhashya. After that we saw anything? Up to that, right? किम प्रजया करिष्यामः, पेज नंबर 31. किम प्रजया करिष्यामः, द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वाक्य उसमें आपको नहीं मिलेगा, उसमें शंकर भाष्य नहीं है. किम प्रजया करिष्यामः, what will we do with praja? So why somebody would say such thing about praja? Because in Brihadaranyaka there is a vakya. Putrena ayam loko jayaha. So praja will give you ayam loka prapti. Ayam loka prithvi loka prapti. In other words, putra will guarantee you Manushya Janma on Prithvi Loka, next life. But which putra? Not any putra. The people generally think, oh, if I have son, I will become human being on Prithvi Loka in next life. Not any putra. Putra who is initiated into Vaidika karma. Putra who performs Vaidika karma, such putra who will continue those karmas with you and after you. Such putra will guarantee you Manushya Janma, a Vaidika putra. Vaidika putra means person who does Vaidika karmanusthana, he does Agnihotra every day, he has been doing Sandhya Vandana every day, such putra. So, person who wants moksha, he says, I don't want such putra for whom I have to work all of my life to make him go to school, university, etc. And then all I will be guaranteed is this anitya manushya loka. Instead, I want moksha. So this is where the vakya is. Kim prajaya karishyamo. Vayam prajaya kim karishyamaha. What will we do with this praja? Children. Why? Yesham naha asmakam ayam atma ayam loka. We don't want bhuhu loka or swarga loka. We want atma loka. We are atma loka kaminaha, natu swarga loka kaminaha vayam. That is where this vakya has come. Further you see, ye tu jnana nishthaha sannyasinaha. Those who are jnana nishthaha sannyasis, according to Bhashyakara, jnana nishtha and sannyasa will go together. That's why you see this. If person wants jnana nishtha, they have to withdraw from all other karmas. Only shravanam adi they have to do. That's all. तेभ्यो असुर्यानामते इत्यादिना अविद्वन् निंदा द्वारेण आत्मनो याथात्म्यं सपर्यगात् इति एतदन्तैर मंत्रैर उपदिष्टम्. Those who are jnananishtaः sannyasiनः तेभ्यः for them असुर्यानाम ते इत्यादिना असुर्यानाम ते लोकाः then अंधेन तमसावृताः तांस्ते प्रेत्याभिगच्छन्ति ये केचात्महनो जनाः. By that इत्यादिना अविद्वान निंदा द्वारेण अविद्वान अज्ञानी निंदा is done by this mantra. आत्मनो याथात्म्यम and आत्म याथात्म्यम उपदिष्टम. Atma Yathatmya, what is the nature of Atma? Starting from where? Starting from Anejadekam Manaso Javiyo Nainad Deva Apnuvan Purvamarshat Tad Dhavato Jnanatyeti Tishtat Tasmin Napo Matarishva Dadhati Tadejati Tannejati Tad Dure Tadvantike Tadantarasya Sarvasya Tadu Sarvasyasya Bahyatah यस्तु सर्वाणि भूतानि आत्मन्येवानुपश्यति सर्वभूतेषु चात्मानं ततो न विजुगुप्सते यस्मिन् सर्वाणि भूतानि आत्मैवाभूत विजानतः तत्र को मोहः कशोकः एकत्वम् अनुपश्यतः सपर्यगात् शुक्रम इत्यादि इति एतद् अन्तैः अप टू सपर्यगात्. सपर्यगात् इज द लास्ट मंत्र इन द आत्म याथात्म्य प्रकाशन. The real nature of Atma is revealed all the way up to 8th mantra in this way. Etad antair mantraihi upadishtam. Upadishtam kim? Yathatmyam. Kasya? Atmanaha. Tika. Saptanna sargaha we were seeing. Milk was for the Pashu, that was the last part. Pashvartham ekam tatpaya iti saptanna sargo darshitaha shrutya. So each yajmana is creating his own srishti. Paramparyaabhyam janakatvad pita uchyate. Third line in that tika. Teshu cha srishteshu anneshu tasya pituraham. This adhyasa also we saw. अहमिदम ममेदम इति आत्मत्व अध्यासेन मन आदिषु इतरेषु च संबंध अध्यासेन अवस्थानं संसारः प्रसिद्धः इत्यर्थः. Because of adhyasa there is some saranam. Adhyasa's swarupa is shown here. Ahamidam mamedam means tadatmya of Atma with ahankara and tadatmya of Atma with any other idam vastu which is otherwise known through mama. Aham idam, mama idam. So in all of them there is adhyasa. This is the, then from, because of this adhyasa, there is kamana, there is karma, and all activities continue. एवं मंत्र प्रदर्शिते निष्ठाद्वये ब्राह्मण सम्मतिं दर्शयित्वा प्रकरण विभागम प्रोवाच. प्रकरण विभागम दर्शयति. So Prakaran Vibhaga is there in Brahmana Bhaga Upanishad in Brahadaranyaka. Then same is there in Mantra Bhaga Upanishad also in Ishavasya. Mantra Pradarshite Nishtadvaya. So in Ishavasya two nishthas are already clear: karma nishtha, jnana nishtha. And Brahman Sammati is shown in Brahadaranyaka. प्रकरण विभागम दर्शयति. ये तो ज्ञान निष्ठा. सी भाष्य नाउ. हाँ, ये तो ज्ञान निष्ठा दैट वी ऑलरेडी सॉ. फर्दर इन भाष्य, ते ही अत्र अधिकृता न कामिनः इति. ओनली दोज पीपल हु आर संन्यासिनः मीन्स ऐषणात्रय विनिर्मुक्ताः, ते ही अधिकृताः. ओनली दे आर अधिकृत मीन्स दे आर अधिकारी, नॉट दोज पीपल हु हैव कामना, न कामिनः. इन भगवद गीता द्वितीय अध्याय, सशांतिमाप्नोति न कामकामी. कामस्य कामी, कामस्य विषयस्य कामी न शांति मापनोति. अकामकामी is going to get shanti. Let us see some tippani. Second number tippani, first number tippani, you see there is correction also. कर्मनिष्ठायां मंत्रेण ब्राह्मणं संवाद्य ज्ञाननिष्ठायां तेन तत्संवादयति. कर्मनिष्ठायां मंत्रेण ब्राह्मणं संवाद्य. इन कर्मनिष्ठा देयर इज संवाद बिटवीन मंत्र एंड ब्राह्मण. संवाद बिटवीन मंत्र एंड ब्राह्मण. मंत्र भाग उपनिषद इज ईशावास्य, ब्राह्मण भाग उपनिषद is Brahadaranyaka. So where is the samvada? Samvada does not mean actually there is a dialogue between Ishavasya and Brahadaranyaka. Samvada means samyak vadanam, means they both are saying the same thing. So in Karmanishtha also Ishavasya and Brahadaranyaka are saying the same thing. And in Jnananishtha also Ishavasya, Brahadaranyaka both are saying the same thing. This is what that tippani is saying. Karmanishtayam mantrena brahmanam samvadya. There is a samvada between mantra and brahmana bhag Upanishad. Means they both have samvada, samyak vadanam. They both are saying the same thing as far as Karmanishtha is concerned. And Jnananishtha also, in that Ishavasya and Brahadaranyaka have same thing to say. Why this is important? Why do we have to worry if one Upanishad says something, the other Upanishad also says the same thing, is echoing it? Why I should not worry? Whatever they want to say, let them say. This is what one Upanishad is saying. So there is a Brahma Sutra which says Gati Samanyat. Gati Samanyat means all Upanishads, they collectively have the same teaching, same message. Their Vishaya is same. Whether it is Ishavasya or Brahadaranyaka or Taittiriya or Chandogya or any or Bhagavad Gita. Like in Gita also Bhagavan says Lokesmin Dvividha Nishtha Pura Prokta Mayanaga. So there are two Nishthas. So same. Jnana Yogena Sankhyanam, Karma Yogena Yoginam, same Nishtha will be there. See further in that Tippani. Atrapi Kim Praja Karishyama Ityadi Vakyanurodhat Putraishana Vittaishana Lokaishana Iti Evam Eshanatrayam Prasiddham. Atrapi means in Jnananishtha also this Kim Praja Karishyamaha, this comes in Brahadaranyaka. So there also Eshanatraya is Prasiddham. Tathapi. Then what is the next Uddharanam? Jayam is here or Jayam is here?
Jayam is
Anuswara is not right. So make correction. Jaya me syat iti. कर्मनिष्ठा वाक्ये जायैषणान्तर्भावात् जायादि एषणा इत्यादि उक्तम इति ध्येयम्. Jaya Eshana, if somebody has, then he goes in the Karmanistha. This we already saw. Jaya me syat, that person who said Karmanistha immediately. He opens his mouth and they say you go to Karmanistha immediately. Karmanistha is prescribed for that person. Eight number tippani is what we are going to see now. तथा च श्वेताश्वतराणाम. So 8 number says श्वेताश्वतराणाम इति तत्शाखिनाम. Those who are belonging to Shvetashvatara Shakha. Such people. See that bhashya now. श्वेताश्वतराणाम मंत्रोपनिषदि अत्याश्रमिभ्यः परमं पवित्रं प्रोवाच सम्यग् ऋषि संघजुष्टम इत्यादि विभज्य उक्तम. Those who are atyashrami. Atyashrami means sannyasashrami. Atyashramibyah. Those who are in sannyasashrama, paramam pavitram. This parama pavitra brahmajnanam provacha samyak rishi sangha justam. Rishi sangha means all this samuha of the rishi. 1 number tippani on that page says rishi sangha justam rishi gana sevitam. What is followed by the great sages. They don't want to spend time in those things which are not useful for moksha. They are called rishi. They don't have time for sending all unnecessary messages and asking who is this person, who is that person. They are not rishis. Rishis are those who are interested only in what is my essential nature and abidance in that. That is their mukhya prayojana. Baki idhar udhar 50 things unnecessary. So samyak rishi sangha justam ityadi vibhajya uktam. So this paramam pavitram, because nahi jnanena sadrisham pavitramiha vidyate. There is nothing as pure as brahma jnanam. It is Rajavidya Rajaguhyam, Bhagavan has already said. Tika Atyashramibhya means Uttam Ashramibhya ityartha. Uttam Ashram means Sannyas Ashram. Now here we are going to see some more tippanis. Okay. Sadhya sadhana bhedopamardena. 13-14 tippani. Sadhya sadhana भेद उपमर्देन. सो यू सी साध्य साधन इत्यादि भाष्यम अन्वय मुखेन व्याकरोति. What is sadhya sadhana? Sadhya means something which is my goal, what I am interested in. So if I am interested in moksha, moksha is my sadhya. If I am interested in swarga, then swarga is my sadhya. For that sadhya, I will need some sadhana. For Swarga, Jyotishtoma. For Putra, Putra Kameshti. Some or the other yaga I have to do. That is the sadhana. For Moksha, sadhanam is only Shravanam. Only Shravanam means there is no karma after Jnanam. Jnana matra is the sadhanam. In other words, it is praptasya prapti. I am nitya mukta. This jnanam I have to gain. 15 number tippani, 14 number says साध्य साधन भेद उपमर्देन साध्यम मुक्ति फलम ज्ञान कर्म समुच्चयश्च तत्साधनम इति एवं आदि भेद अवगाहिधि बाधकम. साध्य is moksha and sadhanam is jnana karma samuchaya. This is erroneous thinking. This I have to eliminate. Jnana karma samuchayascha tat sadhanam iti evam adi bhed avagahi dhi badhakam. This is the upamardana. This is what I have to destroy. उपमर्देन यदा आत्मैकत्व विज्ञानम. आत्मैकत्व मीन्स ब्रह्मात्मैकत्व विज्ञानम यस्मिन् सर्वाणि भूतान्यात्मैवाभूत विजानतः. दिस सेवेंथ मंत्र. इति अवधारणेन उक्तम पूर्वार्धेन. By the पूर्वार्ध of that mantra, this is what is revealed. What is revealed? That we already saw in the seventh mantra. Yasmin sarvani bhutani. Yasmin means, anybody remembers Yasmin? What is Yasmin? Without flipping the pages, you can tell me if you remember. Yasmin means Vidya Kale. At the time of Jnanam. सर्वाणि भूतानि आत्मा एव अभूत विजानतः. For a person who knows this, विजानतः means विजानन, विजानत प्रातिपदिका, विजानतः for that person means षष्ठी विभक्ति. इति अवधारेण. Where is the अवधारणा? यस्मिन् सर्वाणि भूतान्यात्मैवाभूत विजानतः इति अवधारणेन उक्तम. No. Anybody? No. यस्मिन् सर्वाणि भूतानि आत्मैवाभूत विजानतः इति अवधारणेन उक्तम. अवधारण मीन्स एव. एव शब्द इज अवधारण. यस्मिन् सर्वाणि भूतानि आत्मा एव अभूत मीन ही हैज अंडरस्टूड एवरीथिंग इज आत्मा अलोन. आत्मा एंड आत्मा अलोन एंड नथिंग एल्स. दैट एव पद इज कॉल्ड अवधारण. अवधारणेन उक्तम पूर्वार्धेन. That is the first half of the mantra. Dvitiya ardha is, uttarardha is tatra ko mohaha kah shokaha ekatvam anupashyataha. Uttarardhena cha samsara nivritti phalakam uktam. Samsara nivritti phalam. So there 16 number. तथा विधमपि ज्ञानम फलोत्पादने सहकारी सापेक्षम इति मनोरथ मात्रम इति आशयन. Somebody who says ज्ञानम is सहकारी in फलोत्पादनम is only मनोरथ, कल्पना मात्र. संसार निवृत्ति फलकम उक्तम. तन्न श्रौतेन स्मार्तेन वा कर्मणा केनचित् अमूढ़ः समुच्चिचीषति. अमूढ़ः, अमूढ़ मीन्स विवेकी. Person who is not मूढ़, person who has some viveka, who has some understanding, he is not going to combine shrauta and smarta karma along with jnana. संसार निवृत्ति फलकम उक्तम. संसार निवृत्ति फलकम उक्तम मीन्स संसार निवृत्ति फलकम किम. संसार हाँ
तत्र गौमोक्षोगः एकत्वमनुपश्यतः.
संसार निवृत्ति फलकम. You see what is the shabda in that vakya? What did you say? Uktam kim? Samsar nivriti phalak. Ekatva. Ekatva vijnanam. What is that word given there before the quotation? Ekatva vijnanam samsar nivritti phalakam. In this way you have to do anvaya. Everybody is following? Samsara nivritti phalakam ekatma atma ekatva vijnanam. So vijnanam is samsara nivritti phalakam. But if some people who says I will combine that with shrautena smartena va karmana, then that person will be mudha. Amudha will say tanna shrautena smartena va karmana samuccichishati. These vakyas are simple vakyas. They are small sentences. Long vakyas are even more difficult to put the anvaya. And this is a vishaya which is like studied 25 times by now. Jnana karma samuchaya, brahmatmaikya jnanam and karma samuchaya is not going to happen. So anvaya is simple here. संसार निवृत्ति फलकम. What samasa is that? What is the samasa? Bahuvrihi samasa. Phalaka, ka is there at the end. Samsara nivritti hi फलम यस्य ज्ञानस्य तज्ज्ञानम संसार निवृत्ति फलकम. Correct or not? संसार निवृत्ति फलकम ज्ञानम. स्मार्तेन श्रौतेन. हाँ, समुच्चिचिषति. समुच्चिचिषति समुच्चितुम इच्छति इति समुच्चिचिषति means he is desiring to do samuchaya. Mudha. Amudha will say, no, there is no samuchaya between brahmatmaikya jnanam and shrauta karma or smarta karma. Okay. In bhashya, ये तु कर्मिणः कर्मनिष्ठाः कर्म कुर्वन्त एव जिजीविषवः तेभ्यः इदम उच्यते. In Bhashya, first line, ये तो कर्मिणः, those who are karmis, कर्मनिष्ठाः, कर्म कुर्वन्तः एव जिजीविषवः. जिजीविषवः, जिजीविषवः, what is the प्रातिपदिका? Online students, are you able to hear me or not?
Yes.
Yes, yeah. Jijivishuhu. Jijivishuhu, they are. So Jijivishavaha, those who have desire to live, Jijivishet, Jijivishavaha, Tebhyaha, for them, Idamuchyate, Andham Tama, Ityadi. You see some tippani now, 4 number tippani you see. Nahi kaschit tippani, whatever is the tippani number on karmanishtaha, that shabda. Karmanishtaha, what is the tippani in your book? 4. Okay. Nahi kaschit kshanamapi jatu tishthatya karmakrit iti nyayena कर्मित्वस्य साधारण्यात् आह कर्मनिष्ठाः. So there in Gita what is said, nahi kaschit kshanamapi jatu tishtati akarmakrit. This person cannot sit for one moment also without doing karma. He is a karmanishta. But what is meant is, he may not be doing karma all the time, but he is thinking of how to do next karma. All the time he is planning to do, planning for next karma. So, it's not that he is karmi all the time, but he is fundamentally karmi because what is the next thing I should do? What is the next thing I should do? And in whatever that person does, the focus is some anatma. When you think this way, what should I do? What should I study next? What should I study next in Brahma Vidya? Then that is not karmi. Why? Because your focus is Atma. Your Vishaya of that study is Atma. Your Vishaya will be Anatma if the focus or thinking is externally what should I do now? Externally what should I do now? Etc. Karma kurvantah eva jijivishavah. So they following karma. They want to live 100 years. Idamuchyate andham tama ityadi. So for them, this 9th mantra, which is going to begin with andham tama pravishanti. But still we are not there. We still have introduction. See in Tika. Andham tama ityadau tu samuccichishaya avidvad ninda avidvadadi ninda drishyate. By this mantra, andham tamah pravishanti ye vidyam upasate tato bhuya ivate tamo yau vidyaya gumrataha. So in that, this samuchaya, jnana karma samuchaya means karma upasana samuchaya. Jnana shabda there will be upasana. Vidya means devata upasana. Vidya means devata upasana. Ityadau tu samuccichishaya avidvadadi ninda drishyate. Where there is this desire for samuchaya, this is avidwan's ninda. That ajnani, how they are interested in combining some karma and some upasana about anatma vishaya. They will never get moksha. So that is the ninda. So you should not, person should not do this. Now what is this avidvad adi? See 21 number tippani. Avidvad adi ninda. That avidvad adi, that shabda tippani, whatever is the number, please see. अविद्वदादि इति कर्मित्वे सति अनुपासको अविद्वद शब्दार्थ है. He is a karmi but not upasaka. And upasani san karmi tu adi शब्दार्थ. See, if it was said avidvad ninda, thing would have been so easy. But he said avidvad adi ninda. So now you have to show what is avidwan and who is adi. So he said, yes, I will explain. Avidwan is the one who does only karma. And adi is one who does karma and upasana. Both are nindita. Further in Bhashya, Katham Punaha Evam Avagamyate, Katham Punarevam Avagamyate. How do you say that this is Karmi Ninda, this is Upasaka Ninda, and Natu Sarvesham Ityuchyate, that this message is not for all? Andham Tama Pravishanti Ityadi. Why this is not for all? So it is said, Akaminah Sadhya Sadhana Bhedopamardena Yasmin Sarvani Bhutani Atmaiva Bhut Vijanatah Tatra ko mohaha kashokaha ekatvam anupashyatah. This is already explained. 9 number Tippani. 9 number Tippani is on Akaminah, those who are desireless. Who are they? Yada sarve pramuchyante kama yasya hridi shritaha athamartyo amruto bhavati atra brahma samashnute. Kathopanishad. We will see this mantra tomorrow. And navirato duscharitan na shanto na samahitah na shantamanaso vapi prajnanenai namapnuyat. This is also Kathopanishad. इत्यादि श्रुति स्वारस्याद अकामिनः एव विद्यावतः सर्वात्मत्वावाप्तिः इति आशयेन श्रुतौ विजानतः इत्यस्य अपेक्षितं पूरयति अकामिन इति. Tomorrow we will see this. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnad Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutrabhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namah.